Hey guys, this is Kelly and today I'm going to show you my updated skincare routine, and I'm really glad to be partnering with AsianBeautyx, and they have sent over tons of Korean beauty products that I've been loving and I've tried them out already, so I wanted to share my review with you guys. And AsianBeautyx is actually an online e-commerce platform. They are actually coming in with tons of Korean beauty, and all these brands are not readily available in Singapore yet. However, they are bringing all these Korean local products here to Singapore, and it's amazing because I'm not sure if you guys have heard of Lagom or Thank You Farmer, but it's really my first time getting to know all these brands, and I'm really happy to be able to share with you guys my opinion because I've not tried this, never heard of any reviews. I've not seen Thank You Farmer or Lagom in the Singaporean market yet, so this is my first time trying them out, and solely on my own opinion, I really like them because I feel that the Korean skincare, they are actually really light and mild on my skin, and I really like how it actually retains moisture and just not aggressively trying to burn my face. Yeah, that's not how skincare is supposed to be. But anyways, I have really good reviews on all these products and I really want to share it with you guys. Okay, so firstly in the morning, I'll just use this Lagom CELLUP Gel to Water Cleanser. This is a gel type cleanser that's able to remove the residue on my face and leftover makeup traces from the night before. This is actually able to clean up my face really quickly, but it does not strip out the moisture on my skin, so it actually feels good and fresh and rejuvenating after washing my face with this, and I feel that it's a good and quick pick me up in the morning. Before I introduce you guys to all these products, I want to tell you guys a little bit more about this Lagom brand. So Lagom's tagline, it's not too little, not too much. So most of their products are made out of very simple ingredients, and they actually do have a very minimalistic packaging, as you guys can see. I feel that it's a very clean, slick, kind of modern packaging, as well as how they position themselves, because I know right now a lot of skincare products are like filled with tons of ingredients to help you focus on hyperpigmentation, dark eye circles, oil controlling, all in one bottle. But what I like about Lagom is that it's called its simplicity, so you don't have to put tons of products on your face, because sometimes with a lot of ingredients it actually complicates your skin and how they absorb certain ingredients. So for me, I feel that you just have to use simple products to get nice and clear skin. You don't have to go through like tons of serum to get you good skin. So I've been using this for about like 2 to 3 weeks, so it's the right amount of time to test out skincare, and you can see that right now I have no makeup on. My skin, it's still kind of glowing. It's really weird to say it on my own, but I actually do love all these skincare products. That's why I'm introducing to you guys, because honestly, if I don't like them, I wouldn't tell you guys, not even be partnering with them. And also, if you guys are interested, I actually do have a discount code. It's called KELKL10 for AsianBeautyx, so you guys can go to the link below, and I'll also put down my discount code so you guys can shop away with all these discounts and be a happy shopper. Okay, I've been talking a lot, but anyways, let's get back to this Lagom CELLUP Gel to Water Cleanser. So it smells so good. It's so refreshing, and I kind of miss washing my face already. So this is a very jelly kind of clear texture, and it's also cooling, so it's great in the morning. So usually I just rub this and lather it against my fingers, and then just rub it against my face. And I like this because it actually, look at it, it's really like a gel to water kind of cleanser, so it's melting into my skin. Next up, I'll follow up with the Mild Moisture Cream. The Mild Moisture Cream, right, it's really light on my face, especially for Singapore's weather. It's so humid and so hot. I sweat all the time. I cannot stand thick creams on my face in the morning. That's a huge no-no. And this one, it's my holy grail right now. Usually when I get really warm, I'll get heat rash all over my face, especially my lip area. So this one actually saved my life, because previously I was using one other brand and oh my goodness, it was so thick and I had rashes all over and didn't know what to do. And thank God I'm using this right now. Does not break me out, does not give me those like weird heat rash over here, because my skin is really sensitive, especially with alcoholic or like fragrance product, and this one just does the job. So I'll show you guys quite a bit of product, and then I'll just do this. It does not give me those like weird white cast, because this is like another water-based moisturizer. Smells so good. What I like about AsianBeautyX as a platform is that they actually bring in all this Korean beauty to Singapore, and they actually is coming out with more makeup and more skincare brands. And I actually met the boss of AsianBeautyX, and he told me tons of things about how he brings in things from Korea, how he QC, how he actually do tons of research before he agree and believe in the products that he's bringing into Singapore. And I'm really very inspired by him. Other than that, I could see his passion and how much he cares about like giving his customer the best skincare products, and how he actually is so sensitive to details, and he looked through my skin type, my skin concern before he gave me the skincare product. So kudos to you. I really am very inspired by entrepreneurs like that, and I really hope that you guys can go and take a look at the e-commerce platform. Okay, so my morning routine is fairly simple. I usually just use the cleanser, and then the mild moisturizer, and then if I am extra diligent, I'll go in with this CELLUS mist toner. I don't really use this as a toner, I use this as like a mist. So when I feel extra dry, I will just spritz on this toner and my skin will feel instantly hydrated. Okay, so after that, I'll go in with my last step. This is the CELLUS Suns Gel, and this is a sunscreen with SPF 50+ and PA+++. Sunscreen is the most important part of my skincare routine, because I have the eye circles, I have hyperpigmentation, so I need my sunscreen. So this sunscreen is really lightweight as well. As you guys can see, I just gently spread it all over my face, and it does not have any white cast. It's not greasy as well, although it kind of gives you a nice glow, but it's not super oily on my skin. So these two parts are the oiliest part of my cheeks, and I apply this in the morning at like 8 AM, and then even in the afternoon like 12 or 1 PM when I go for lunch and I touch up my makeup, my cheeks will still remain really flawless. It's not oily, it's not like a grease ball. So I'm really glad that all these products actually suit my skin. And yeah, you can actually, I wish you guys can touch my face. It's not oily at all, it's not sticky, and yeah, it gives me a very nice glow. That's why I really like it, because right now I'm going for that dewy, glowy base makeup kind of look. So yeah. Okay, so that's that, and moving on to my nighttime routine. So I want to tell you guys about this for the longest time already, and I've been using it way too long. So okay, so they actually sent me this. This is their face makeup wipes, and then these are reusable. So these are little cotton pads that are reusable, biodegradable, and it's good for the environment as well. Secondly, you don't even need to use makeup remover, micellar water or anything. You can just use this. This is like microfiber, so you can just like remove your makeup like that. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I don't have any makeup on right now. I'll just put on a little bit of foundation at the back of my hand. I can easily use this to remove my foundation here without any micellar water. I just need a tad bit of tap water and that's it. And mine, it's already this dirty. I'm gonna start on my new cotton pad. But this one, it's great because you can actually wash it under running water and all your makeup traces will be gone. Other than that, you can also pop it in your laundry machine. I'll show you guys how I remove this really quickly. Look! And all the gunk will be here. Can you see? I really like this. Saving up a lot of money with this cotton pad because I don't need to use micellar water anymore. And I don't need any cotton pads as well, so amazing. And even if I want to use like micellar water as an extra step, I can just put it on here and then just wipe it all over my face. I think it is really good to, you know, save the environment and at the same time save some money. So yeah, I actually come in 3-in-1 packet, so I think it's a good buy and I wish you guys could try it because this one is actually a godsend to me. I didn't actually believe in such gimmicky things, but thank God it wasn't gimmicky and it actually is pretty legit. So yeah, and you guys really need to go get it. I am thinking of getting some for my friends for Christmas. If I really like something, I would actually introduce it to all my friends, and I'm very pushy. Okay, so right after I remove my makeup, I'll move on to cleansing my face with this CELLUP Micro Cleanser. This one, it's a foaming cleanser, and usually if I put on more makeup, I will just double cleanse my skin. But if you don't, you just like put on sunscreen like me right now. It's also very important to wash your face, and sometimes sunscreen might clog up your pores, so be very careful with what you put on your face. And it's very important to clean out your face at the end of the day because you know, like all this gunk and all, like, you know, the pollution in the air that is going into your pores. Please wash your face, girls. So yeah, this is what I use at night, and then show you guys. This one has more like a solid texture. This one has the same scent as the water gel. It's not foaming up a lot either, and I just feel that this one is actually very creamy. The water gel cleanser, this one, it's very refreshing, and this one, it actually feels like it's removing and deep cleansing your pores. So I'll go back to my same old routine. I'll just put on my mist toner, and at night I'll definitely put on toner. Go in with either this mild moisture cream, sometimes even more serum if I want to. So this is my basic skincare routine. I'll usually just work around all this simple product, and I hope you guys go try it out for yourself and tell me if you actually like them. So yeah, I think we have come to an end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this kind of skincare video, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll just link everything down below so you guys don't have to worry about where to get them. Other than that, I usually post a lot of my skincare, my makeup, my beauty tips on Instagram, and I do like IGTV in the morning. And if you guys want to watch it and support me, please go down and follow me on my Instagram. It's at KELKLTAN, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.